how to set up and transfer the data from iPhone to the new Samsung Galaxy S26, 26 Plus or Ultra. First, press on the side button here to boot up the phone. Okay, once the phone is switched on, and now we can begin the setup. So the first thing is to select your region or your language and tap on OK. Then tap on the start button. Here tap on agree to all. If you don't agree the optional items, you can deselect it. Then tap on agreed. Next, tap on setup manually. Here we need to select a network. So select your Wi-Fi network and enter in your Wi-Fi password. Then tap on the connect button. Next, tap on the next button. Okay, then tap on next. Here say use another device. You need an Android, iPhone or iPad, so tap on next. And then tap on agree. Then tap on allow. Here choose iPhone or iPad. And you can choose either wireless or cable. In this video, we will select the wireless method. It's just easier, there's no cable. So on the phone, we now use the camera to scan the QR code. Okay, so on the iPhone, we need to go to App Store and install the app called Smart Switch. So we type in Smart. Smart Switch, Samsung Smart Switch, and install it. Then tap on open and tap on continued. Tap on continued. And here say do I want to share all contacts, so you can select all contacts and allow full access. Then tap on allow or don't allow as required. Allow full access to gallery, tap on allow, and then tap on allow locations. Then tap on allow and tap on let's go. Then tap on, so we use the wireless method, and then tap on next. Here we need to scan the code, so let's scan it with the camera. Here says join, so tap on join and connecting to transfer your data. So it is now attempting to connect. Okay, you can see here says search for data to transfer, and we are now connected to the S26 Ultra. On the new S26, tap on transfer. Now select what you want to transfer. Depending on what you have installed on the device, more options becomes available if there are apps and other services that can be backup. It will give you the option to select. For each of the items in here, you can also tap on the arrow and select what you want to transfer over. So you can select all, or you can select some of the items, or select everything. Okay, so that's up to you. You can also choose what you want to transfer over. So you can transfer some items or all the items, and I can deselect. So I will select just a few items for a fast transfer, and then tap on the transfer button. So now it is transferring the data over. Okay, after that, it will ask you to sign into your Google account and Samsung account. So here, we will put in our Google account. Put in the email address or the phone number and tap on next. Here we put in the password. Put in the password and tap on the next button and verify your login. Okay, next, tap on I will be using this device and tap on the next button. Then tap on I agree. And here's the getting account info. Next, we can use face recognition, fingerprints or PIN. So let's set a security method. So put in your PIN and tap on continued. Put in the PIN again to confirm and tap on OK. Here we tap on the down button and then tap on accept. Here you can choose turn on backup now or don't backup. I will select don't backup. And tap on the down button on this page. And then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on Hey Google if you are using it or no thanks. So tap on turn on if you need it. And so getting your phone ready, just be patient now. Okay, and after that, we need to enter in Samsung account. You can also skip if you wanted to, otherwise we can sign in. So I'm going to go back here and then tap on email or phone number and then we sign in. Tap on next. Then put in the account password and then tap on the sign in button. Okay, once you've signed in, we choose all the options and then tap on agree. Now on the Galaxy AI, tap on the down button, then down, and then tap on next. Here, tap on down and then tap on next. Then tap on the down button, down, and then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on each of the items, auto blocker, customization service, and personal data intelligence, and tap on next. Here choose to use swipe gestures or show buttons on screen and tap on next. Here organize your phone to display apps on home and app screen or all the apps display on the home screen and then tap on next. Now choose your keyboard layout and tap on next. Choose your display mode, dark or light mode and tap on next. And please wait. Here after that we scroll down, select what you want to use and tap on next. And that's it. It says you're all set, so tap on the home button to go to your home screen now. And this is the default home screen. Some app may be still downloading. Here asks you to set up your SIM card. You can swipe down and tap on settings. In settings, you can sign into your Samsung account if you haven't already done so. You can go through your connection settings, setting your display, sounds and vibrations, change notification sounds, change ringtone sound from sounds. Here we can change ringtone sound, notification sound. You can further customize your device once you have successfully set up. Check to make sure all the data has been brought over. So here I have brought over some pictures, not everything, but some. And that is how you can set up your Galaxy S26 and transfer the data over from the iPhone. So from this iPhone here, we transfer the data over to the new phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.